Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You want to click on the gear icon. And when you're on the settings and privacy, you want to select the Meta Account Center. You click on Meta Account Center, and then you want to head to the lower side of the screen, the menu that is called Account Settings. Here you want to click on Personal Details, the second option. When you launch the Personal Details, you will have the option that is called Account Ownership and Control. Click on it. When you're on Account Ownership and Control, you will have the option to deactivate or delete your account. When you click on deactivation or deletion of the account, you will have not only your Facebook account, but you will have other Facebook accounts that are logged in and they're connected to this account. But you will also have a bunch of, I assume, Facebook, Instagram pages. So you will be able to not only delete your Facebook account, but you will be able to delete your Instagram pages from here as well. In some cases, you will have Facebook pages as well. So all you gotta do is to select the account that you want to delete and then simply press delete. You will have the option also to deactivate the account. If you're not sure that you really want to quit the platform or simply to delete all the search history and all the uploads, you can simply deactivate your account. Very important note is that when you click delete your account, you will have up to 30 days to go back and recover the account. After these 30 days expire, well, you'll no longer be able to recover your account and your data. So you want to make sure that you really understand what you're trying to achieve and what is the goal of the whole actions. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the plus sign. You will have the option to click Rio. Now let's pick what we want to upload, right? I select this one over here. Now, the difference over here is that the menu that you usually will have when you're publishing reels on Instagram is quite smaller and it's positioned on the right side. The options that you have actually are very similar. You have an option to add audio, you can add music. The main difference is that you're able actually to reduce your original audio over here, because if you add voiceover or if you add music, you don't want to have all these audios that are mixing together. So you want to make sure that you reduce your original audio when you add music or voiceover. This is very important. The next step, of course, you want to add text. This is something that it's very similar. You can make the text bigger and smaller just by moving the sizer on the side, right? Nothing special. Also, you can add a small stickers that looks like a gift, right? Very interesting, especially if you have like a promotion or a swipe up link. It's cool. Next option is effects. I don't find this too crazy, too helpful, I would say. I just find that the quality of these are not so good. Maybe this one looks okay because it's kind of vintage, right? Then you also have a stickers. On the sticker you can actually not only add all these small celebrations, small notes, but you also have emojis over here underneath. And there is a quick settings on the top where you can actually click emojis. We can click gifs and you can actually search for the gif you're looking for. It's very similar to the actual Instagram Reels. Then the last option, of course, is that you can actually save what you just created. Some people are just creating the actual content here and they go and they publish the content on TikTok, they publish it on Twitter, right? So you can do so by simply clicking save. Then you press next. And here the option is very similar to the ones that you usually will have, the panel right before publishing. The main difference over here I'm gonna share with you is that, first of all, you can actually opt in for monetization. As you can see here, earn money, and you will be rewarded by people tipping you and giving you stars. And also you will see a small folder next to the post, right? You probably wonder, is this where we can actually schedule the post? Same thing that we usually have on Instagram, right? That's not the case. Here you can actually save the video as a draft, and the video will stay here for up to 60 days. Meaning that when you click save as a draft, you will simply have this video somewhere stored. You don't have a particular folder like you have on Instagram, right? Or on TikTok. So then every time when you go and try to publish new picture or video, Facebook will send you a reminder and will tell you that, you know what, you still have this reel that you didn't publish. Do you want to publish it right now? And this is how you publish reels on Facebook, guys. I understand it's quite similar, but it's also quite different. I don't publish much reels on Facebook. I prefer to do it on the Instagram, simply because the algorithm works better over there, and I believe the transition and the functions are much better. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels for free. Let's launch the Facebook app and pick up a reel. Okay, let's click on the reels. Okay, let's download this reel over here. You want to click on the arrow that is on the lower right corner, share, right? And then I want you to copy the link. After we copy the link, I want you to head towards Chrome. Okay guys, I want you to find this app. It's called snapsafe.app. You come over here and you want to paste your link. Okay, and the app will simply process the video and will give you an option to download the video. As you can see, we have plenty of different options of qualities. Just pick your option. Be careful where you're clicking, of course, as usual. Not as many ads as in the other apps platforms, but this is how you can download Facebook Reels for free, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you first of all how to create a reel on Facebook, save it as a draft, and then how to find this draft so you can publish it later on. So let's dive in. First, let's launch the Facebook app. You want to click on the plus sign on the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, you want to select reel. Then you want to select what you want to publish. We want to publish this particular thumbnail over here. After finish with editing, on this small settings menu on the right, you want to click next. And right before publishing, there is a small folder button next to the post button. You want to click on the small folder over here, and you will have two options. You either gonna save it as a draft, and it will be saved for 60 days period, and then it will be removed, or you want to download. Let's click saved as draft. Okay, then you want to go back. You want to go back, and now when we again hit the plus sign and start creating a brand new reel, right, we are going to scroll the top menu and you will find the draft over here. You see the small notification. You want to click on the drafts and you want to find the one that we just saved. You want to click on it. It's simple. You can proceed with next and you can proceed with publish. Very simple, very easy. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go through different monetization updates from Facebook, so you'll be able to play ads on your reels on Facebook, so you'll be able to make a lot of money. Let's go over the requirements and the eligibility criteria over here. First thing first, this is the whole program. This is the new landing page from Facebook. Here you will get information about the new in-stream ads from Facebook. Let's click on the requirements and see how you can get qualified for. So in order to use the new ad system into your videos, you need to be at least 18 years old, okay? And live in the country eligible for in-stream ads. Let's go over the country list. So this is in-stream ads that are available in these countries. So all these countries, as you can see over here, guys, are actually falling under this new update. So if your country is one of these, you will be able to actually monetize and put ads into your videos. It will be similar as the one that we're seeing on YouTube, similar as the one that we're seeing in TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Okay, the second requirement over here will be that you should have minimum of 5,000 followers. So your page on Facebook where you actually publishing your reels should have at least 5,000 followers, and you should be at least 18 years old, and your country where the page is registered, right? So I'm not sure that you can actually register a page from different country aside from the country that you're currently residing. Probably you can if you're using a VPN. Not quite sure about this though. You should advise with someone. But as you can see over here, the next eligibility requirement is that you should have 60,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So they're doing this simply to prevent bots monetize the content. Okay, they have a similar requirement for other programs. Remember, you should be active for the last 30 days in TikTok Creativity Program Beta aside from the 10,000 followers. So here they don't include minutes viewed from cross-posted, boosted, or paid watch time. Meaning, if you publish something and then you share the same exact thing elsewhere, for example, on Twitter, and they see the traffic is coming from third-party website, they don't care. Meta is very, very strict with monetization. They are cutting monetization left and right. Remember, there was a bonus program last year on Christmas. If you just publish 3 videos, they're gonna give you like $100. I got $100, but then the program was like cut it. So they're very, very strict. They want to make sure that they're paying only people who are using their platform and their platform only. They don't care about other social media cross-posting. The next requirement is that your page on Facebook has to have at least 5 active videos, which kind of easy. If you're having 5,000 followers, you most likely have more than 5 active videos. And also the videos can be on demand or previously live, but this does not include active cross-posted videos. Again, you want to make sure that you really follow the rules. You're not gonna cut corners with Facebook, obviously. The next eligibility requirement for live videos. So if you're a live streamer, right, if you stream videos, your main target of the eligibility criteria and play ads on your own live streams will be over here. So to qualify for this, you should have at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. Second requirement is to have 6,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So everything is 10x over here as a requirements. You should have 600,000 total minutes, must include minutes viewed from live videos. So essentially, you understand that because you're a live streamer, right, all of your minutes watch time will be coming from live stream. So I believe that you can actually gain these minutes very easy, especially if you're doing long live streams like 3, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, some live streams. The last requirement over here is that your Facebook page where you're publishing your reels or where you're doing your live streams, right, has to have at least 5 active videos, including at least 3 previous live videos, okay, that are created by you. This does not include active cross-posted videos. So again, on top of the 5 regular active videos on your Facebook page, you should have at least 3 live streams published. So how much money you could actually make? I believe that's the biggest question over here. So I read plenty of feedback from a lot of people that have been using it so far. So I'm seeing that some people are making between like $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and this is based on having 50, 60, 70,000 views. And I mean, these people are posting every single day 3 to 5 videos a day. And again, everything that I saw so far is like entertaining. So some of the people are actually making like compilation videos of this, fallouts. Probably you've seen these people, falling left and right, these stupid videos compilation on Facebook Reels. So this is how you can actually do it. If you are coming from country that is eligible, if you have 5,000 followers, if you had, more than 5 videos and you have regular watch time, well, I believe you can actually qualify and play ads on your videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels on Canva app using your phone. Very easy guys, very simple. So the first thing you want to come over here guys, you want to click on social media on the upper settings. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on Instagram, and then you want to scroll slowly to the Instagram Reels over here. Now I want you to click save. Now I want you to click CO. What you want to do right now is that you want to filter all the results by simply pushing up. Now we're going to click on style. In our case, we're going to create a very interesting, let's call it professional or creative. Let's set as a creative mode. Then we're going to slide on the side and we're going to choose our theme, which in this particular case could be essentially anything. In our case, we're going to use the party theme, okay? This is how simple it is. Sometimes it works a little slow, so you gotta be patient. Then you're gonna filter by price. You're gonna use only the free templates, which will allow you to expand and excel more using your budget for other purposes. So let's select this video over here. This is how you're going to create the reels. If you click play, you will see how everything will be matching to itself. If you go back, you're going to see that every element that you click on is customizable. This is very good and very important because you know and you realize that you can adjust everything. For example, all these flowers on the side, you can essentially scroll through the menu over here and you can change them, okay? You can make them darker. You can use completely different font. You can make them warmer over here on the side. Everything could be adjusted. Everything could simply be edited, which is mind-blowing. As you can see also over here, you can change the actual color and the font by simply clicking fonts. If you can see over here, we can change the font, making it much more easier for people to read while they're watching the videos, right? You realize that especially if you copying and pasting quotes like a lot of people are doing, they're simply pasting a quote, and essentially the background matters a lot. Small letters, small fonts are not something that you want to go after. This is why putting a different effects on the actual theme is very important, like simply adjusting the lining and creating a brush tool which will help you on the following phase using the magic edit tool, right? It's simply very, very interesting, considering that a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people are not aware that this is something as an option that exists. Also, you can resize it, right? You can make it larger, you can move it around, or if you don't like it, you can essentially click it and we can just remove it. Same like this text over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.